in Langson hamlet of Vinh Dai Commune, part of Tan Hung District, amidst the vibrant wetlands of Long An, west of Vietnam, grows a rice unlike any other, a grain with a story rooted in centuries-old traditions. This rice is cultivated in flooded fields, a method that not only enhances the soil, but also creates a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. Nurtured without chemicals or harmful pesticides, floating rice is grown with minimal effort from farmers thanks to the flood. When the flood is gone by January, it's time to harvest. This is more than farming. It's a sustainable way of living, a commitment to preserving water, revitalizing the soil, and creating a brighter future for communities who depend on the land. From the fertile fields, the journey continues to the factory. The noodle cakes are carefully shaped and dried under controlled conditions, ensuring their quality and longevity. The floating rice noodles are gluten-free, non-GMO, and high in antioxidants, which help with dieting and digestion. The noodles are healthy and tasty with a distinctive flavor. At our packing facility, every noodle cake undergoes strict quality control. Only the finest make it through, ensuring every meal you enjoy is as perfect as the last. The trays are carefully assembled, pairing the noodles with 3 signature spice packages: aromatic oil, a chili sesame mix for heat, and a perilla leaf seasoning for a burst of herbal freshness. A handy fork completes the set, making it convenient for even the busiest days. The final step is sealing each tray for freshness and durability. Wrapped, heated, and packed into boxes, these noodles are ready to travel far and wide, bringing the taste of Long An to kitchens across the country and beyond. Field to factory to your kitchen, the journey of our floating rice noodles culminates here. Cooking them is effortless, yet the results are extraordinary. Simply boil, drain, and let your creativity take over. Add the included spices for a burst of flavor, and pair with your favorite vegetables, shrimp or tofu for a balanced, wholesome meal. With every bite, you'll taste the richness of the floating rice, the warmth of the sesame, and the vibrant kick of chili. It's a dish that's healthy, quick, and irresistibly delicious. I'm on a floating rice noodles, blessings in every bite.